Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we're going to be having a look at a pocket foldable keyboard from Nillkin. So Nillkin I'm a big fan of. I've used their cases a few times on my phones over the last year or so, and also their tablet cases, which look great. So Nillkin have kindly sent me this for a review, and I'm very keen on the design of this keyboard. I think it looks great. So it folds out into a full-size keyboard with trackpad. So let's get into this review and find out, is this something you should buy, and what does it do, and who is it for? So I've been thinking about getting a folding keyboard for a while now, because I take my foldable phones out and about. So I've got a Pixel 10 Pro Fold here, for example, and I think I would love to have a keyboard and trackpad I could use with my phone, or I could use with my tablet when I'm away from my house or my desk. And I think it would make an excellent addition to my lineup. But Nillkin reached out to me and said, would you like to try out their new Cube keyboard? So it's the Pocket Cube keyboard. It's a good size when it's folded up, so I wouldn't necessarily say it would fit directly in your pocket, but it is actually nice and transportable. So it comes with a nice carry bag here, which it slots into, and it feels very premium. So I went for the blue colour, and it is available in about 5 different colours. So it comes in, I think it's orange, blue, black, green, like a grey and a white. So there's plenty of colour choices for you on there at the moment, and it's priced at about £48 at the moment and £68 at full retail price. So check out their website, they've got it on offer at the moment, and I'll put the link down below, so you will get a discount with the code down below using my code and my link in the description. It's available in English, German, Spanish and Arabic on the keyboard too, and it's got plenty of keys on it for Mac and also for Android, and it's very multi-platform compatible, I would say. And I've used it on Android, iOS and Mac, and also Windows, and it works perfectly well with all those devices, I have to say. So what is it then? So essentially what it is obviously a keyboard, but the unique feature about this foldable keyboard is that it has a trackpad on it. So for me, this is a big plus, because I don't like to carry a separate mouse and a separate keyboard because my bag is already too full. So if you're after something that's all-in-one design like this for a decent price, I think you should seriously check out the Nillkin Pocket Cube keyboard, because this trackpad here will connect to your tablet or your phone, and you can use it as like a mouse on the phone. So it turns your phone into a computer basically using the keyboard. So you fold it up, there's an on switch on the side here, you initially just flick it on, and it can charge up via the USB charging point here, and it will last probably a couple of weeks, the battery on it easily. I think it's meant to last about 10 hours full-time use, but I've had this for a week now and I've not charged it up, so it will last longer. So as I mentioned, it's fully cross-platform compatible. So it's iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, and it can connect to three Bluetooth devices. So for me, this is a big must on a keyboard. I have to have this remember on devices, because I use multiple devices with the same keyboard. So you literally just press FN, BT1, BT2, and it will remember the device, and you can reset it and reuse it with multiple devices as you want to go along. So it weighs about 270 grams as a reference point, so it's pretty lightweight. I wouldn't even notice this in my bag if I chucked it in, and it's got a nice like faux leather finish on the side of it and on the front and the back of it, so it's going to protect it, and also got the carry bag with it too, and it comes with that USB charging cable in the box. So it's 17mm thin, so it's really thin when it's open. When it's closed, it's even thinner when it's like open like that. And it's also got plenty of keys on it for multiple device compatibility. So you've got CMD key for Mac, you've got the Windows key for Windows, you've got multiple options here for Android and for iOS, and also you can turn that trackpad into a number pad, so you can use it as a calculator, or you can use it just as a number lock on the keyboard itself when you're using it with a Windows laptop or a Mac. And those kind of features on it make it very unique for me, because it offers so much in one device. It offers that trackpad, it offers that number pad if you need it, offers multiple device connectivity, and all for price of about 50 quid. I think it's just, I can't think of a better folding keyboard that I've actually seen on the market at the moment. And as I say, Nillkin stuff's always lasted me ages. So durability wise, it can fold over 10,000 times without wearing out. They've done tests on it to make sure it does. So I wouldn't say you have to worry about durability. And I've had this for a few weeks now, and I've used it out and about and not had any problems with it at all. And it's just a great device. So easy to charge up, 140 milliamp battery on it, so it should keep you going for a long time. It has power saving mode on it as well, and it will last you a while for that charge. You don't have to worry about sort of charging it over and over again, and also connecting it to different devices all the time because of that device remembering ability on the keyboard. So from a real world user point of view, I would highly recommend this keyboard. Check out Nillkin's website down in the link description down below. Do use my links, it will get you a discount, and I would highly recommend checking out the Nillkin Cube Pocket Keyboard if you're in the market for a foldable portable keyboard. even if you've never thought you need one of these, I will now not leave the house without this, because I connected it to my Pixel 10 Pro Fold and used it as a laptop. I typed out a Word document on it, and it was just easier than taking my tablet around with me, or even taking my laptop. So do check it out. Thanks very much to Nillkin for sending this out. Really appreciate it to them, and they are a great company and really great products. So check out the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe if you have, and let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts on this keyboard. So thanks very much, guys, and I'll speak to you next time.